Want to make a personalized ringtone with your favorite song, but not sure how? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to make custom ringtones on your iPhone. Now let's get started. To begin, all you'll need is an audio file that's under 30 seconds long. Download or save your audio file to your Files app. For this example, I'm downloading royalty-free ringtones from Pixabay, but you can use whatever audio you like. Then open the Files app and open the audio file you want to use as your ringtone. Tap the share icon in the bottom right corner. Scroll down and tap Use as Ringtone. You'll then be taken to your ringtone settings, where your audio file will be added as a custom ringtone and set as your current ringtone. Repeat these steps to add any more custom ringtones you want to create. Once added, simply tap the ringtone you want to use to select it. That's all it takes to create a custom ringtone on your iPhone. Want to use the audio track from a video as your ringtone? Check out this tutorial to learn how to convert a video to an audio file. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.